Bay window installation services in Pell City, AL, offer a wide range of options for homeowners looking to enhance their living spaces. With custom bay windows Pell City, you can transform your home with unique designs that reflect your personal style. Bay window contractors, Pell City are skilled in providing top-notch services, ensuring that your bay windows are installed with precision and care. Energy-efficient bay windows, Pell City are a popular choice for those looking to reduce energy costs while maintaining a comfortable home environment. These windows are designed to keep your home insulated, reducing the need for excessive heating or cooling. Bay window experts Alabama can guide you in selecting the best energy-efficient options for your home. Bay window replacement. Pell City is an excellent solution for outdated or damaged windows. Whether you're dealing with wear and tear or simply want to upgrade your home's appearance, bay window replacement services can provide the perfect solution. Bay windows Pell City are also available for minor fixes and maintenance needs. Residential bay windows Pell City add a touch of elegance and charm to any home. These windows not only enhance the aesthetic appeal, but also increase the value of your property. Bay window design Pell City offers a variety of styles and materials to choose from, ensuring that your new windows complement your home's architecture. Commercial bay windows Pell City are ideal for businesses looking to create a welcoming and professional atmosphere. These windows can be customized to fit the specific needs of your business, providing both functionality and style. Bay window styles Alabama range from traditional to modern, allowing you to find the perfect fit for your commercial space. Affordable bay windows. Pell City provide a cost-effective way to upgrade your home without breaking the bank. With a variety of bay window materials Pell City available, you can choose options that fit your budget while still achieving the desired look and functionality. Bay window cost Pell City is competitive, ensuring you get the best value for your investment. Bay windows Pell City include increased natural light, improved ventilation, and enhanced curb appeal. These features make bay windows a popular choice for homeowners looking to improve their living spaces. Bay window features Pell City are designed to maximize these benefits, providing a comfortable and inviting environment. Bay windows Pell City offer a wide range of customization possibilities, from different bay window dimensions, Alabama, to various bay window enhancements. Alabama, you can tailor your windows to meet your specific needs and preferences. Bay window customization. Alabama ensures that your windows are as unique as your home. Bay window upgrades can transform your existing windows into stunning focal points. Whether you're looking to add new features or simply update the look, bay window upgrades provide a fresh and modern appearance. Bay windows Pell City are designed to meet the diverse needs of homeowners, offering both style and functionality.